So guys, I want to share to you, I have a fresh pusa from the market. This is it guys. I have more vegetables this day. And tomorrow we cook food like a vegetable soup. Can I use this one? Pusa. And thank you for watching guys. Thank you for watching. Happy to share to each and everyone. And again, thank you for watching of my video. Don't forget to subscribe Annie PS Vlogs. Like, comment, and share. And again, thank you for watching of my video and support of my channel guys. And more power. God bless us all.